back to another vlog. I'm saying good morning. It's 12 p.m. but I just got up. Okay, where's my teaspoon at? Here we go. I'm supposed to have a work phone call right now. I'm just waiting for that phone call to come through. Honestly, I don't know if I was supposed to call or if the other person was supposed to call, but whoa, okay. I'm making some tea. Today I'm drinking Teami Refresh, and this is just supposed to make you feel like you are on vacation and you're living your best life, okay? It tastes really nice and sweet. It has the dried roses in there. Y'all see that? Pink rose. It has dried mango in there, strawberry. So it's just your really nice fruity tea. So I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of tea. Tablespoons, y'all, I cannot get my life together with this tea, with this tablespoon versus teaspoon. Okay, 2 teaspoons of tea. It recommends 1, but I'm assuming that they're talking about for a glass, you know, an 8-ounce glass, because it says place desired. Oh, this one says place desired amount of tea in a cup or a tumbler. Maybe I'll do 3 teaspoons then. I haven't had this tea in a while. The first time I had it, I made it in my Teami pitcher. Let me show it to y'all. This is the Teami lifestyle pitcher, and you can put this in the fridge. So I made the first batch of this tea in there because it was so, it just tasted so good. Like, it smelled so good. So I tried a little bit and then I made a big batch of it. So yeah, now I'm gonna make it in my tumbler and see what happens. There goes my phone call, so I'll be back. Hello.
Hi, Kori.
Okay, so I just got off of my phone call, and basically one of my previous supervisors from college at SCAD, she's doing an event and she wants me to be a part of the event. This is like the first time, the first big time that I'm being called back as an alumna, and I'm just like, period, okay, this is amazing. It's gonna be an amazing networking opportunity. So that was just a little work phone call this afternoon. I kind of honestly just woke up at 11:30 and now it's 12:30. So we did a quick chat. My tea is doing what it needs to do. I remember like just drinking this with nothing in it. I haven't tried this tea in so, like, I have not had this in so long. So that's why I pulled this out today. So yeah, I'm trying to let it cool off so that I can drink it. I need to straighten up around the house because I've been wrapping gifts, I've been doing laundry and not folding it. So like, there's a bunch of towels on my couch. I need to fold the towels, put the towels away. I did my clothes are in the dryer. I need to take those out, fold those up. I'm doing a lot today. So Devin's here. Devin also has a phone call right now, I think, but we need to run to Target today. We're still doing Christmas shopping and everything. So we need to run to Target. We need to get some groceries. We need to get a few things. I might just be getting that from Target at this point. I don't know, we're gonna see. I'm gonna make mac and cheese because I feel like I'm so excited about mac and cheese now after my mac and cheese video. But we need to go to Target to pick up my dad's Christmas gift. Today, I also have to get some hookah content. You guys, I'm just like, I'm all over the place. I have a lot of videos to film today. I have a lot of videos to edit today. Today is just a content day. Today's Thursday. So yesterday I went to the office and did orders and got caught up on a lot of orders so that today, Thursday, I can have the whole weekend. Like, I have a whole long weekend, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and then back to the office on Monday because I have a lot of content and stuff to catch up on, and I have a shag order that I need to sit down on my couch and work on for a few hours. So that's what kind of day we have today. Let me show you guys. Hold on, first of all, let me plug my tree in. So y'all see my towels on the couch. Don't judge me. Let me come over here so you don't see it. So you guys know my tree is like my pride and joy right now because this is like the moment that I've been waiting for. Like getting my first apartment was a moment, but decorating my first apartment for Christmas was the actual moment, you know? I wrapped up Devin's gifts yesterday. These are just 2 of his gifts, but I knew he was coming over and I did not want him to find his gifts, you guys. So I wrapped them up. The small one turned out so much cuter than the big one because I'm just not good at wrapping, I don't think. But look at how cute this is. I got this wrapping paper from Walmart. It was like a whole set. It came with the wrapping paper, it came with bows, it came with labels, it came with all this stuff, and it was like $5 or $8 or something. I was like, I think I'm just gonna get that. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that. So yeah, I'm excited about the tree. Devin, are you on your phone call? Huh? You're finished? Oh, you ready to go? Oh, see? Perfect timing. Perfect timing. All right, so let me put on some actual warm clothes because I know it's freezing outside. You know how you can just look outside and you can tell that it's cold? It's gloomy, it's rainy. Like, I just know that it's cold out there, but we have no option. We have no option at all. All right, y'all, let me put some clothes on. Okay, wow. So it is 5:28 p.m. you guys. Wow, 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 wow. I got some water boiling back here because I'm freezing, and I pretty much drank all of my tea while we were out, and I didn't end up vlogging when we were out because it was so cold, you guys, and we were just like on a mission. Let me move this back some. So today's Tipsy Thursday, so that's gonna be a whole separate video, but I want to show you guys what we got. So I picked up this Sweet Bitch Moscato Rosé. Y'all, listen, I have really been loving this wine, right? But this is the one that I have in my fridge already. This is also Moscato Rosé, but in the pink bottle. So why is the bottle the same size? It has the same amount of wine in it. This one is 6% alcohol. This one is 12.5% alcohol. They're the same flavor. This one has a cork. This one is a twist off. Are they gonna taste the same? Obviously this one's gonna have more of an effect on us. I don't know, but we're going to see. Devin has not tried either one of these before, so I'm gonna let him try both of them for the first time. I'm lost, okay? And then this one, I tried to find it at the liquor store by my house and it was $12.99. And I paid $8.99 for this one. The first time we got it, we paid $9.99. I said, I'm definitely not paying $12.99. That's just out of the question. Like, that's just a big no. This one was $9.99. So I'm like, if this one is stronger for the same price that I was gonna pay for this one, if it tastes the same, if it still tastes good, then that's gonna be the move, obviously. But we'll see. So this one's already in my fridge, so it's already cold. This one I'm putting in the freezer so that I can get cold, because we're about to get started pretty soon. Devin wanted to try some Chardonnays. He wants me to try Chardonnay as well. So he picked up this one from Kroger. The other ones I got from the liquor store. So this is from Kroger. And then he got the Sutter Home Chardonnay one as well. The water's ready. This is a Christmas gift. So those are the wines that we're gonna be drinking tonight for Tipsy Thursday. I also got stuff to make mac and cheese, so I'm about to actually start to do that. Oh, and I got this new tea. I got mango ginger tea. I have been loving ginger tea and I love mango anyway, so I was just like, I got some mousse for my hair, some foam wrapping lotion, whatever you call this stuff. My mom does hair, so we have a lot of different names for things. Look at this. I'm wearing my Snob Life crew neck today. And then the rest of the stuff is just what I need for mac and cheese. So that's pretty much all we got today. We also got a bunch of Christmas gifts type stuff. So I'm not gonna show you guys everything because of the fact that my family actually does watch my videos. They're very much tuned into Vlogmas. So I don't wanna spoil any tea, any beans. I'm not spilling any beans. Not spilling any beans. But I can show y'all like the gift bags and stuff that I got from Dollar Tree. So my theme, obviously, you know, I picked out these cute snowflake sparkly holographic bags. So I got purple, there's a blue one. I thought these were really cute. And then there's a red one. So yeah, that was my vibe for the holidays. And then I just got this white tissue paper that has little glitter on it. I thought that would be really cute to go with the bags. And yeah, that's pretty much it. My counter is looking very much full right now, so I need to clear it off for Tipsy Thursday so that we have a little bit of space to move around. I'm about to put some fresh tea leaves in here and pour me some more tea. Babe, are you having tea?
You said tea?
Yeah.
I'm straight. Hey.
Wow, he said no tea. Who is he? Oops.
I had tea earlier.
What?
I had tea earlier.
Yeah, but who even are you to say no this time? Wow.
You can pour a little one.
Excuse me?
You can pour a little one. Like halfway.
What?
So you can pour it like halfway.
Halfway? Halfway with what? What kind of tea are you having? Y'all, he don't want no tea right now. I'm not about to make him drink no tea right now. Talking about you can pour it halfway. No. Not halfway. All the way. Let me tell y'all something. This tea right here, Teami Refresh, this tea is good, okay? And you don't need to put anything in it, or at least I didn't. It has like, does it have mint in it? Yes, mint tea. I was like, it has a minty flavor, and then it's super sweet with the strawberries and mango. I'm gonna have to give y'all a close-up of these tea leaves. Can y'all see that? I need to give them a close-up of this, man. I'll show y'all in 1 second. Y'all see that? It has strawberries, like dry strawberries, dry mango, and then it has the pink rose. It has mint leaf, so it has a little minty. Oh my goodness, it smells so good in the bag, and it just tastes so amazing. 10 out of 10, recommend if you like anything fruity like this. Yes, ma'am. I need to put my dishes away. There's just so much going on. Okay, here we go. Let me make sure I have enough this time. I feel like I drank it way too fast, and I put an extra scoop of tea leaves in there. So let me pour it all the way up to the top. Period.
So I can't even have.
What?
So I can't even have.
How about you come over here with me? Now what do you want?
Half a cup of tea.
Half a cup of tea?
What?
No. You see, we're big girls and boys. We drink whole cups of tea.
I had the whole cup.
I had a whole cup too.
Okay.
Another whole cup. Another whole cup. Devin.
What?
You gotta do it how you like it.
What you mean?
I don't know. I
Can you
can't.
just pour it in?
I'm gonna put our wine in the freezer, okay?
In the freezer.
It's almost time. You want me to just put it in the fridge? My bottle's in the freezer because I need it to be cold. I'll put yours. Ooh, we are collecting corks tonight, people. All of our bottles have corks on them. Yay! Are you ready to make mac and cheese?
Can you pour me half a cup of tea, please?
Fine.
Thank you.
What am I doing? What's it say?
Oh, lemon balm.
Lemon balm is what he requested. Lemon balm. What even is lemon balm? What is in here?
Lemon balm, man.
Ooh. What? You don't know what's in it?
It's lemon balm.
What is lemon balm? Maybe I'm just slow.
It's a plant.
Oh, it's an actual plant.
Yeah.
Oh, calms the nervous system and supports digestion. You see my little bottle brush over there?
You use it?
I cleaned all my tumblers last night. Here's Devin's tumbler. He has a green one. Let's see, what is half a cup?
You just put it in there.
Pour the rest of it in there.
What?
I think it's done now. Here you go. Yes, a big girl cup. So Devin got us some Christmas sugar cookies. Yeah, oh, there we go. Yeah, so we got some of these because we didn't want to bake any today, but we'll be baking them soon. Then I also have these. I showed y'all these, but these right here slap, okay? They're good. Y'all are looking at the bottom of my chin. Yeah, that's really it for this video, you guys. Just chilling. We're just chilling. That's what Vlogmas is, day in the life. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys have fun with us, hanging out with us. We're gonna make a separate video, making mac and cheese, and another video for Tipsy Thursday. So make sure you guys are all caught up on Vlogmas because we're having so much fun over here. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel down below. Follow Devin on Instagram and Twitch. Follow Devin on Twitch. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.